What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Exploring the Outdoors. Me and Bandit's out here in the Sam Houston National Forest here in Texas, exploring around, enjoying my last day off before I head back out of town to work. And I wanted to show y'all a cool little product that I use, like whenever I come into camp late at night, and I'm not in the mood to drag out my camp kitchen and all my little cans of fuel and all that stuff and fire up the stove and make a big meal. I just want something quick and easy. I use this thing right here. It stays on the side box of my truck. This is my quick, easy gear that I grab. And this right here is called the Joulle. And the Joulle is an electric kettle. It's got 3 settings down here. It's got drink, eat, and pop. It's got a power button right here. And on the back, it's got a spot where you plug it in. So everybody's got power stations nowadays. Well, this thing uses like 500 watts of power, but it only uses it for a few minutes. It doesn't really take a long time. It's got a little lid right here. It's got a strainer right here, or it's got the spout right here so you can drink out of it. It's got a hole in the center to let steam out. You pop the lid off. I keep my cord inside. It's stainless steel inside, and it's got measurements in there on the wall. I think y'all can see those. And you can put about a decent sized can of soup in this thing. And like I said, it's pretty fast, so it doesn't really take a lot of power. On boiling, when I'm doing water, like for coffee or tea or oatmeal, it takes about 6 minutes, and it brings it to a rolling boil. And on drink, it has an auto shut off. So once it gets to a rolling boil, it's going to shut itself off, so it don't keep going. So if you forget about it, you go, oh shit, and go back, it's turned off. In the eat mode, it does not auto turn off. So you need to pay attention to it. You know, you're stirring your food, whatever. So you need to pay attention to it and eat. And in pop, I think it does auto shut off in pop. I'd have to check the manual on it, but I think it does in pop too. But you can make popcorn in this thing. They sent me instructions on how to make popcorn. It's a really cool little system. This is, I mean, it's got a nice like little neoprene sleeve right here. It doesn't get real hot. Like, you can pick it up when it's done boiling and pour it. It's easy to clean. Like I said, it's stainless steel on the inside. It's a really cool little item to keep in your gear. And like I said, when I get into camp, sometimes, a lot of times, we always just go, let's keep driving, let's keep driving, let's keep driving. And it'll be late when we find a campsite, and I don't want to drag out my camp stove, hook up my propane to my fuel, my stove, and drag out pots and pans and all this stuff. If I could just fire up some soup in this thing and get a bowl out of my camp kitchen and a spoon, and I'm good to go. It takes me 10 minutes and I got food, or less than 10 minutes. So this is a really cool little tool to have with you. And I like it because, like, I have the 200-watt solar panel up on the roof of the truck up here. I have 200 amp hours of lithium battery in the back of the truck. I have power stations that I bring with me. So I have my portable power stations I move around, my portable solar panel that I deploy. So I always have electricity. I'm always, and if it's raining or something and I can't have solar, I have a 40 amp DC to DC charger in the truck. So while I'm driving, I'm charging my batteries too. So I always have power. So if I run out of camp fuel and the little stoves, I just go back to this guy because I always have power, and I can just run this guy. But give you a close-up of it. There you go. There on the bottom, here's the buttons and the switches. And this thing here, you just slide it across where you want it. And I'll show you some of the stuff like that I normally like to put in it. So here's a couple of things that I typically like to use in mine. If I'm doing like steaks or any kind of meats or whatnot, and I want to have some beans with them, little can of beans, I mean, comparable in size. Little can of beans, or a beef stew. I like the beef stew. You can put the whole can in this thing. And a chili mac, which is really good. It's almost like a tomato soup with chili and noodles in it. And I haven't tried, but I think that can would probably fit all in there too. So, and this is a 18-ounce can, so you can probably get it all in there. But you'll see that more and more in my videos because, like I said, I like to use it a lot, and I'll get some videos of me using it and show you all how fast it is. We'll time it and do some things like that with it. But you should definitely check them out. That's a cool product to carry with you in your truck if you always got power. So let me go check out Bandit. He's running around over here, and we'll see y'all later.